The Department of Philosophy of Salesian College Autonomous Sonada organized the Father Logroi Memorial Lecture on 13th March 2026 at the Kalingal AV Hall. The lecture was delivered by Ms. Ragini Chetri, Assistant Professor in the Department of Sociology at Salesian College Sonada, on the topic Gender and the Body, How Society Shapes What Feels Natural. The program began with the welcoming of the resource person and distinguished guests with traditional khadas. Brother P.A. Josh, Vice Principal of Salesian College Sonada, paid tribute to Father Logroi by garlanding his portrait, after which Father C.J. Matthew, Head of the Department of Philosophy, introduced the speaker. During her lecture, Ms. Chetri explained how ideas of masculinity and femininity are shaped by social institutions such as family, education, religion, and media. Referring to thinkers like Simone de Beauvoir, Judith Butler, Michael Foucault, Wayne Connell, and Kimberly Crenshaw, she highlighted how gender roles are socially constructed and how concepts like intersectionality influence the understanding of gender in society. After the lecture, Father Preetham Barla, campus minister, chaired a brief interactive session for questions and clarifications. Father Tommy Augustine, rector of Salesian College Siliguri, also shared a short life story of Father Logroi. The program concluded with a vote of thanks, and the session ended marking a meaningful academic discussion on gender and society.